Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we're going to give you guys a crypto.com price update. Today, the federal chair, Jerome Powell, came out with a 0.25% interest rate hike announcement and did a press conference, and the crypto markets decided to turn bullish. But there is some more FUD out there for crypto.com, and I'm going to share with you guys here today. I'm going to squash the FUD. I can't believe this article that I'm going to share with you guys. I can't wait to get into it and prove it wrong. Again, all these fudders out there just can't see the big picture. Binance and crypto.com not going anywhere. FTX fallout certainly happened, but that's over. The exchanges that survived the bank run, they're here to stay for the long haul, folks. You and I both know it. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers, on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so don't miss out on that, guys. Let's take a peek here at the overall market cap. First of all, breaking out at $1.07 trillion. I got to take a look at this, guys. Federal Chair Jerome Powell's announcement today drove this higher, and yes, we are breaking out. I mean, the previous high here we had most recently at the FTX collapse, and this is on the way down, folks. Remember, this is the FTX collapse right over here, back in November of 2022. And now this is actually moving on up. If you look at the last 3 months, we've fully recovered. We're on the way back up. And if you look at the last 7 days, we're actually breaking out here. We are just under this $1.08 trillion mark. And if we can break above it, then we're kind of in a price discovery mode, slightly. I guess I shouldn't say price discovery mode, but at least we're going to be looking back to some previous resistances, which would be at 1.2 trillion. So keep an eye out for that, guys. More upward movement potentially coming in these crypto markets. Bitcoin's at almost $24,000, but let's take a peek at Crocoin here. Looking at 8 cents currently. We were very low on the 7 cent side of things at about 7.5 cents, and then boom, altcoins decided to come back. And if you look at the last month, we are just still moving up in this good trend that we have here. Again, guys, we've been waiting to break above 8.5 cents. And if we can do that, then we're looking to get up to that 9, 10, 12 cent level. So keep an eye out for that, guys. I really do feel like it's coming, but some fudders out there want to continue to FUD. So this is what I want to talk about here. So Crypto.com apparently is scrambling to calm customers after Lithuania banking crackdown. A crackdown by Lithuania's banking regulator has left Crypto.com customers fearing for their safety on their account balances. So right out of the gates, what does a bank's funds have to do with the account balances for Crypto.com? Let's read further. Earlier this month, the Bank of Lithuania ordered a local payment processor, Transactive Systems, to cease providing services to existing clients. So basically, a bank said, we're not offering their services anymore. So far, sounds like the bank's problem, not Crypto.com. But let's read on. They want to cease to people whose activities are around virtual currencies. So banks are trying to box out virtual currencies again. Bank of Lithuania issued this order after having inspected Transactive that identified significant violations and shortcomings of the law of prevention of money laundering and terrorist financing, which we've heard over and over again from Senator Elizabeth Warren and other folks around the world who like to FUD crypto. The order was based on the scale and significance of the identified violations, which they do not get into the specifics for, and will remain in place until the bank gives a permanent decision at some future date. So basically, guys, this company was boxed out from doing crypto payments. So it goes on and it says that, Crypto.com, which, lost this service, they informed their customers that your deposits and withdrawals have been temporarily disabled. Crypto.com stated that it was in the process of migrating the Euro fiat wallet to a new provider, and an estimate with this transition will be completed in approximately 72 hours. So here's the good news. They're fixing it. And they're finding a new processor. So they're going to solve it here in 72 hours. So are they really scrambling or are they just getting the job done in a very timely manner? It sounds like they're, getting it done quickly. But they go on to FUD Crypto.com more. Worse, not all Crypto.com customers appear to have received the exchange's email announcing this service disruption, which, they should do. But guys, this happened out of nowhere. A bank pulls the rug on them. It's not really Crypto.com's fault, right? It's this bank's fault. So they're going to be doing everything they can to make it right by their customers. But in the meantime, give them some time, right? Crypto.com's customers are still waiting to hear how they'll be reunited with the funds. This is probably only a handful of people, and this is one country, Lithuania. But guys, let's look at the real picture here. Are people, this is Twitter. Let's see, are people, talking about crypto.com right now on Twitter? You look at it and there's nothing going on. Nobody's actually talking about this. And so this is some silly FUD. This is ridiculous, but nobody's talking about this. If anything, people are promoting crypto.com here and trying to get sign-up bonuses from people. So really not a big deal as they're making it out to be. That being said, they do have to solve it, and it sounds like they're on their way of doing that. So we'll see, guys. We will see how this plays out, but they kind of go on to continue to take an opportunity to FUD crypto.com. That they were able to restart some of these transactions, but it seems many traditional banks aren't eager to conduct business with Malta-based financial institutions, which is crypto.com. But guys, this is not new news, right? We know that banks are not excited about crypto. They see it as a threat. They go on to FUD Binance as well. And then this article goes on to talk about how they have a partnership. Crypto.com is a partnership with Circle, which is actually fantastic. But they try to find a way to FUD it as well. And then they even go back into Chris Marsliak's, old problems that they talked about, back to CNBC's issues that they talked to him about in December, trying to come after his old company that he worked for. And by the way, I don't think his name's Alex Marsliak, it's Chris Marsliak, so they kind of messed up his name here as well. So really a poorly written article here by CoinGeek, in my opinion, and I think this is silly. I think people are just looking to FUD crypto.com as, hey, the price is going up. You look at TradingView here and you pull up, the daily candles and, you look at the last, let's call it 20 days, you probably got 75% green candles, just like everything here in crypto. You look at the weekly charts here. So far, this week is on a red candle, but give it some time, and I do feel like this is probably going to turn into a green candle, and I think we're going to be getting back to our fair value that we've been talking about for so long here at 12 cents in no time, regardless of this silly FUD here. Quick update for you guys as well on Tectonic. Tectonic token is looking good. And it is moving upward as well, pretty steady. So long as these crypto markets continue to break out in overall market cap like we're seeing so awesome right now, I think we're going to see Tonic continue to fly. But ignore the FUD, guys. Ignore the FUD, and make sure you guys, if you do see FUD like this, go do some research for yourself. I looked on Twitter. I'm not really seeing people freak out about this. I think it's just some more FUD. And quick update for you guys. I did put out a tweet earlier, and shout out to Fort Justice NFT who tweeted this at me earlier today. But from the Loaded Lions Discord chat, somebody was actually kind of complaining about the Loaded Lions announcement for January. They didn't really come out with a good one, and I got to agree with this Lanks fellow right here. They didn't really come out with a good announcement. They're claiming, and Shane is one of the ambassadors here for Crypto.com and one of the mods actually in the Discord chat. He's spectacular. Shout out to Supreme Shane. He is really great. That's his Twitter if you guys want to follow him, but you'll see him in the Loaded Lions Discord. Saying the whole hands is on deck for the Loaded Lions and CyberCubs community. And, they did in-game teasers in January, but, there's still more that they want to share. And their goal here is to ensure that it's rolled out to its full potential. So, unfortunately, that's not the best announcement, but it is good to see that they're still excited. They still have more to announce. And so looking forward to what they have to say, guys, but I wanted to give you a quick update there. That's really all I got, guys. Remember, it is the world's leading cryptocurrency platform. Crypto.com is trusted by more than 80 million users worldwide, leader in regulatory compliances and security certifications, and they are the industry's most comprehensive insurance coverage. They have the most insurance coverage and verified proof of reserves, which is great, guys. And when you look at their vision and what they're going to do, they want to reach the next billion users, and they're on the right path to do it. So don't let a little bit of FUD scare you guys, and keep an eye out for more potential upward price movements here in crypto and for Crow Coin. If you haven't done so already, check out our Twitter at _crypto report. We're giving away a Loaded Lion at 25,000 subscribers on the channel. We will be giving that away to one lucky subscriber, guys, so don't miss out on that. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you go over to our YouTube channel and subscribe to the channel, and consider, if you're watching this video right now, then as a member, guys. Really, that's all I got for you today. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.